Is your laptop doing this? I tried to turn it on. It shows the BIOS screen and then straight up dead. So how can you fix it? This is an easy fix. So you wanna to enter the BIOS. We're in the BIOS and head to the boot section, and here you will find the UEFI boot support. It means that it's gonna be booting in either legacy and UEFI. So when you just have a new OS, you're gonna load in the correct one. But why is this even happening? So it might have to do on your CMOS battery on your laptop. You might need to change it. So here, as you can see, it's loading up the dual boot that I have, and I can now boot into Windows. Yeah, to fix this, you might want to open the insides of the laptop and change the CMOS battery, since it might be dead and you need to change it. So yeah, that's it for this quick fix video. If this helps, like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.